Okay, big news. This little slicer I've been building is now completely free for anyone who 3D prints. And honestly, I'm kind of thrilled about it. Let me show you. This is ClayShaper, a slicer built from the ground up for clay. Drop in any model or design one from scratch, and it hands you clay smart tools you just won't find in a normal slicer. Vase mode for one clean spiral, and a continuous bead so the nozzle never stops and drags, a staggered base that actually bonds, a real lit preview, and a validator that catches a bad file before you waste a single scrap of clay. And here it is, on real hardware, laying down clay coil by coil. I don't know what it is, but I could watch this all day. Now, to really put it through its paces, I needed something a little ridiculous. So, naturally, I printed a garbage bag out of clay on purpose. And layer by wrinkly layer, this crumpled little paper bag came to life. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am obsessed with this thing. Even Lulu wandered over to inspect the work, and I'm happy to report it is Lulu approved. So the plan was simple, and print the bag again, and then fire the bag. But you know what is way more satisfying than firing it? Squishing it. Anyway, ClayShaper is free for the whole ceramic and 3D printing community right in your browser at clayshaper.com. Quick heads up, the site is server-based for now, so go easy on it under heavy traffic. But the fully local version is finished. Want to test it? Just comment, email me, or join the Discord. And a big thank you to Eazaoaaaaaa, the makers of the potter I print on. They are a technical partner now, and it is wonderful to put this free tool in everyone's hands. So go print something weird, or beautiful, or whatever you want. Maybe a garbage bag. Goodbye, fellow clay printing nerds.